Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble this vintage 1989 Super Mario Bros. Puzzle. The puzzle features a scene of Mario, Toad, and Princess Peach escaping from one of Bowser's castles as they are chased by some Koopa Troopers and Bullet Bill. My parents had gotten me this puzzle and a few others that I'll be showing you in future videos. This particular puzzle, however, I got back in 1989 when I was a kid from Steve's Toy Store in Pelham Bay off of Crosby Avenue in the Bronx. We obviously paid $2.29 for it back then when it was new. So if you enjoy the video, drop me a comment, give us a like, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's go ahead and get started. First, we'll start by separating the border pieces from the rest of the puzzle. These are the pieces that obviously make up the edge and have the flat surfaces. Yes, some of them are already assembled here for us, I see. Okay, that's it, and we'll go ahead and put a last piece in. There you go. That's the 1989. You can see here it was Milton Bradley Company. They were doing it obviously for Hasbro, made in the USA. And over on the side, 1989 Nintendo. There you go, vintage Super Mario Bros. 1989 puzzle complete. I hope you enjoyed watching me assemble it, and we'll go ahead and see you on the next one. And thank you very much for watching.